In this video, I'm going to show you how to create another Facebook profile with the same email address and mobile number. If you want to create a second Facebook account to express a new side of you without having to use mobile number or email address and all your information are just tied down to one account that is already registered to Facebook, this is how you can do that. First thing you want to do is open Facebook, and once you have Facebook open, you want to tap on your profile menu with your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. In this section, you want to tap on this arrow pointing down, and you're going to see all the accounts and pages you've created in this section. Now tap on Create Facebook Profile and tap on Personal Profile. Tap on Next. To create another profile using a different name, you don't have to use your real name. You can interact without hesitation and switch profiles with one login. Tap on Get Started and then enter a name for the second Facebook profile. Tap on Continue. Here you can add a cover picture, a profile picture, also customize your Facebook username, which is also going to be your Facebook profile URL. Now when you enter the username, it has to come with a green check mark indicating that the username you have chosen is available. Now tap on Continue and tap on Create Profile. This will create your new profile and switch you to that profile. You can go ahead and finish the profile setup, which includes you adding friends. You can also skip this by tapping on Next and tap on Continue. Join new groups, follow people who inspire you, and manage your profile settings. You can go ahead and tap on Not Now to do that later, and then tap on Done. And with that, you have successfully created a new Facebook profile. You can switch between your Facebook profile by tapping on the menu at the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see this drop down. Here you see all your Facebook profile and page. You can tap on the one you want to switch to, and this will switch you to your primary profile. So that's how to create another Facebook profile with the same email address and mobile number. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.